Hey, I'm Val the Pool Gal. 30 years in the pool business, over 1,000 pools built, and more green pools cleared than I can count. I built pooltoolkit.com so you can stop guessing and start knowing. Let's get pool schooled.
I definitely better call the pool guy.
You walked outside, pulled back the cover, and your pool is green. Maybe it's a light haze. Maybe it's a full swamp and you can't even see the bottom. Before you panic, dump in a bottle of algicide or call somebody. Let me show you how the pros actually clear a green pool. It's called the SLAM method, and the SLAM calculator at pooltoolkit.com gives you the exact chlorine target for your water. SLAM stands for shock level and maintain, and those last two words are the whole secret. A green pool is not a one and done problem. You don't just shock it once and walk away. That's one of the biggest reasons people fight algae for weeks and never win. You raise chlorine to a shock level and then maintain it there until the algae is completely gone. First, a quick warning. A SLAM only works if you're using a test kit that can accurately measure higher chlorine levels. Most basic test strips aren't precise enough for this process. You're going to be testing and adjusting chlorine frequently, so accurate testing matters. Now, chlorine is what kills algae. That's the whole engine behind a SLAM. We're simply pushing chlorine higher than normal operating levels and holding it there long enough to finish the job. If you want the full breakdown on how chlorine works, I've got a separate video for that. But stick with me because this next part is what most pool owners get wrong. The amount of chlorine you need is not a fixed number. It depends on your CYA, also called stabilizer. CYA protects chlorine from sunlight, but the more stabilizer you have, the more chlorine you need to achieve the same sanitizing power. So a pool with a CYA of 30 needs a much lower shock target than a pool with a CYA of 80. This is exactly why guessing fails. Somebody with high stabilizer adds what they think is a normal shock dose, but it never reaches an effective killing level. The chlorine gets consumed before it can stay high enough, long enough to finish the job. That's where the calculator comes in. You enter four things: your pool volume in gallons, your CYA level, your current free chlorine reading, and the chlorine product you're using. If you don't know your pool volume, use the pool volume calculator first. Every other calculator on the site depends on that number. The SLAM calculator looks at your stabilizer level, determines the proper shock target for your specific pool, and tells you exactly how much chlorine to add to get there. No charts to read, no ratios to memorize, no guessing. Now let's talk about the maintain part, because that's where the pool actually gets clean. Once you reach your SLAM level, you test your chlorine and bring it back up to that target several times throughout the day. Every time it drops, you raise it back up. While you're doing that, brush the walls and floor daily and run your filter continuously. Brushing breaks algae loose so chlorine can reach it. The filter removes the dead algae from the water. A quick filtration tip: if you have an in-ground pool with main drains, open them fully and direct as much suction there as your system allows during the cleanup. Algae and dead debris settle to the bottom, so you want to pull water from where the problem is instead of focusing only on the surface. If you have an above-ground pool with no main drain, you can create a temporary deep water suction point. Connect your vacuum hose and vacuum head, fill the hose with water, and place the vacuum head in the center of the pool floor. That allows the pump to draw water from deeper in the pool, improving circulation and helping move more algae and debris toward the filter. You'll also want to keep an eye on your filter pressure. As the filter catches dead algae, pressure will rise and flow will slow down. Backwash sand and DE filters when needed, and clean cartridge filters when the pressure increases according to the manufacturer's recommendations. And don't forget to watch your water level. Between backwashing, vacuuming to waste, splash out, and evaporation, it's easy to lose more water than you realize during a cleanup. If the water drops too low, the skimmer can pull air and cause circulation problems right when you need good flow the most. Test, dose, brush, repeat. That's the process. Now, how do you know when you're finished? not by how the water looks. A pool can look clear and still have algae actively growing. One of the final tests is called the overnight chlorine loss test. Before bed, bring your chlorine back up to your SLAM target and record the reading. The next morning, before sunlight hits the water, test again. Enter your evening and morning readings into the overnight chlorine loss calculator at pooltoolkit.com and it will tell you whether you passed. If you lose 1 part per million of chlorine or less overnight, that's a good sign the algae is gone. But a SLAM is only considered complete when all three of these things are true. Your water is crystal clear. Your combined chlorine is zero point 0.5 parts per million or lower, and you pass the overnight chlorine loss test. When all three line up, you're done. A few important notes. For a SLAM, use liquid chlorine whenever possible. Liquid chlorine is unstabilized, so it won't keep increasing your CYA while you're trying to clear the pool. If stabilizer keeps climbing during the process, your chlorine target keeps climbing too, and you end up chasing your own tail. Always add chlorine with the pump running so it circulates properly. Never mix chemicals together. And if you have a vinyl liner, don't allow concentrated chlorine to sit on the floor. If your CYA is extremely high to begin with, the calculator may show a shock level that's impractical. In that case, it often makes more sense to lower your CYA first through water replacement before starting the SLAM. Clearing a green pool isn't about luck. It isn't about magic products. It's about reaching the correct chlorine level for your water and keeping it there until the algae is completely gone. Test, dose, brush, repeat. Then let the overnight chlorine loss test confirm when the job is finished. The SLAM calculator at pooltoolkit.com gives you the exact target in seconds. And if this helped you out, do me a favor. Like the video, subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and share it with another pool owner. Trust me, somebody
Definitely
you
better call
know
the
is
pool guy.
staring at a green pool right now, wondering what to do. Stop guessing. Run your numbers and let the calculator tell you exactly where your chlorine needs to be.